bill up through that maneuver. He just calls it a necktie. As he goes into the vertical, changes the tail around a few times, and snaps into a snap roll, diving right back through this smoke. He's going into a little bit of half Cuban. Here he's going to start pulling through back, eyes back over his knee, releases the G, looking back towards the horizon. G building to 4 to 5 G. Back into the vertical force double hammerhead. Now let's see if you're going to do it. Members are the guys responsible for developing these very, very high technology canopies that you see on these that they're bringing down today. How do you fly these canopies, you ask? Same technology we used 105 years ago with the Wright brothers, wing warping. They simply pull the canopy, they change the shape of it, they warp the shape of it, and allow the canopy to maneuver on around. Well, we've certainly come a long ways in 100 years because these canopies that you see are extremely maneuverable. They're designed to do not only just sport flying, but they can also be used to get into enemy territory. And they have different canopies for different types of insertions, different types of missions that they fly, whether it's a high altitude night mission, low altitude jumps, etc. All right, I'm going to introduce the team that's coming on down. First of all, the team leader, Sergeant First Class David Rose from Midland, Texas, with 1,234 jumps. Following him is Sergeant Major Abe Sanchez from Burbank, California, 3,212 jumps. He's a Special Forces Operations Sergeant. The third one coming down, Sergeant First Class Jason Spanikia from Long Island, New York, with 1,157 jumps. He's a Special Forces Medical Sergeant. Following him is Sergeant First Class Jessica Riggins from Port Orchard, Washington. 1,011 jumps. She's a Special Operations Intel Analyst. Following Jessica is Staff Sergeant Kevin Hayden from Mount Hood, Oregon, another Oregon.